In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Base44, accept payments. Full Guide 2026. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Stripe connected to Base44, so you can start accepting payments with confidence. Before we begin, make sure you can sign in to both your Stripe account and your Base44 workspace. Keep your login details private and never share your actual API keys publicly. First, head over to Stripe in your browser and sign in. On the left-hand sidebar, look toward the bottom for the Developers section. Click that, then choose API keys. This is where Stripe organizes the credentials that let other apps like Base44 communicate securely with your Stripe account. You'll typically see a publishable key and a secret key. The publishable key is safe for front-end use, while the secret key is the one integrations use to perform secure actions. Also, take a moment to notice whether you're in test mode or live mode near the top of the Stripe dashboard. The mode you're in determines which key you copy and which environment you'll connect to in Base44. Next, locate the key you intend to use. When you find it, use the click to copy control right beside the key. This ensures you grab the entire value without typos. Treat this key like a password. Don't paste it into shared documents or messages, and avoid exposing it on screen if you're recording or presenting. If you're unsure which key to use, test mode is a safe place to start while you verify your setup. Now switch over to Base44. In the area where you configure integrations or provide setup instructions, type a clear message so Base44 knows what to do with your key. For example, you can enter integrate with Stripe. This is my API key, lorem ipsum. Replace the placeholder with your actual key only in your secure Base44 environment. If your workspace uses a chat-style prompt or a dedicated API key field, follow that format, but keep the message concise and unambiguous so the system can process it correctly. Give the integration a moment to connect. If Base44 confirms the connection, you're ready to proceed with payment features. If anything fails, double-check that you copied the key from the correct Stripe mode. Confirm there were no extra spaces when pasting, and verify you still have access to the developers section in Stripe. That's it. You've retrieved your Stripe API key, copied it safely, and instructed Base44 to integrate with Stripe. Once connected, you can move forward with testing checkouts, and when you're ready, switch to live mode to accept real payments. Thanks for watching, and happy building.